soil investigation is an essential component of any construction project, and it plays a crucial role in the design process. In the case of Mehrauli, a region in Delhi, soil investigation becomes even more critical due to the specific geological characteristics of the area. The purpose of soil investigation in Mehrauli is to assess the soil's properties and determine its suitability for construction activities such as building foundations, roads, and other infrastructure. Mehrauli is known for its diverse soil composition, with variations in clay, silt, sand, and gravel content. A thorough soil investigation in Mehrauli involves collecting samples from different depths and locations to accurately assess the soil's stability, bearing capacity, and potential for settlement. This information is crucial for engineers and designers to make informed decisions about the type of foundation and structural design required for a project in this area. The process of soil investigation in Mehrauli typically begins with a site visit by a team of geotechnical engineers. They examine the area's topography and geology to determine the most suitable locations for sample collection. The samples are then collected using various methods such as boreholes, test pits, or cone penetration tests. These samples are then analyzed in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties. The results of the soil investigation help engineers understand the soil's behavior under different loads and conditions. This information is used to design appropriate foundation systems that can safely support the proposed structures. For example, if the soil investigation reveals that the soil has low bearing capacity, engineers may recommend deep foundations such as piles or caissons to transfer the load to deeper, more stable layers of soil. In addition to foundation design, soil investigation also influences other aspects of construction design in Mehrauli. For example, the results of the investigation may impact decisions about earthwork, slope stability, and drainage systems. By understanding the soil's properties, engineers can design effective measures to prevent erosion, landslides, or waterlogging issues that may arise due to the specific characteristics of the soil in Mehrauli. Overall, soil investigation plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and stability of construction projects in Mehrauli. It provides valuable insights into the soil's behavior and properties, allowing engineers to make informed decisions about foundation design and other construction aspects. By conducting thorough soil investigations, designers can mitigate potential risks associated with poor soil conditions, leading to successful and durable construction projects in Mehrauli. When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, the dealers in Mehrauli are the go-to destination for professionals in Delhi. These dealers offer a wide range of surveying instruments and accessories, catering to the diverse needs of surveyors and engineers. Whether you are looking for tripods, prism poles, GPS receivers, or any other surveying equipment, the dealers in Mehrauli have got you covered. They stock high-quality products from reputed brands, ensuring that you get accurate and reliable results in your surveying.